Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing Bluey and Bingo making Snowman. First, we start by drawing Bluey's eyebrows, then her eyes, and then her snout. Now we will make her body. Because of winter, Bluey is wearing a muffler around her neck. Now we will draw her rest of the body. Friends, don't forget to draw Bluey's ear.
We will draw a snowman. It's time to draw its eyes, nose, and big smile. Our snowman is also wearing a muffler. Now we will draw the rest of the snowman. Now it's time to draw Bingo. Like Bluey, we will start by drawing Bingo's face. Oh, she looks so cute already! Now we will draw the rest of her body. She is also wearing a muffler. Brr, it's cold! Let's finish her up!
Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing.
We will first color the nose of both Bluey and Bingo brown. Now we will color Bluey. For Bluey, we will use different blues and a brown color. Wow, she looks amazing already! Let's color her muffler red. Ooh, that looks amazing! Next, we will color Snowman's nose orange. Snowman is wearing a green muffler. Now it's time to color Bingo. Yay! I've been waiting for this part! For Bingo, we will use different brown colors. Wow, she looks amazing already! Now we will color Bingo's muffler pink. Pink? That's going to look so cute! Now we will use light blue to highlight the ice. At last, we will use dark blue to color the sky.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.